start, and then when they double the points,
just roll.
That's whenever I'm gonna. You know, whenever everybody else comes in here with the worn out cars because they've gone so many rounds all year, and I haven't, my shit's still gonna be fresh.
Me and you are on the same page because I figure I'm looking ahead. Look, man, like this weekend, last weekend I went from 42nd place to 22nd place. This weekend, man, I need to get in the team.
Hey, you doubled.
I'm gonna do them up. Do it like red. But you didn't change any clothes over here. Hey, don't you can't see what you can see.
Empty spark down there? Yeah. And then drivers just...
That's pretty nice. She didn't cook me breakfast. She must have a special place for me.
No, I say Sean ate one's breakfast. Sounds like she cooked it. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What did he say? What did he say?
Which name you got? I have the right. I'd like to have the right.
Did I tell you that?
Of course it is.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
You and Brendan Russell.
39.
39.
10 years behind.
10 years behind you?
Man, John.
He's kind of old now. He's pretty old. He's the oldest one. Well, Dave's here now. Out of us three, he's the second oldest.
Why? Why you gotta keep bringing up?
I just didn't fucking do it.
Because we're the same age.
Yeah, we're not though. But
We're not. No.
We're not.
I'm literally like days older than him.
Yeah. Days can be 365.
Y'all were
But
shitting
it's
in-
not.
Hey,
Could be
But
20.
but it's not.
Could be 20.
but hey, y'all were shitting in diapers at the same time.
That's right. That's right.
Aw.
That's only because Sean wore diapers late.
Only because Sean wore diapers until he was 5.
He's still wearing them.
Yeah, he still wears diapers every now and then.
Speaking of old, what's happening, Doc?
Bonzo's always 3 years older.
Oh man. Who's older here? Which one of y'all two are older?
Huh?
Which one of y'all two are
Dave.
older?
Doc is.
Shit.
Dave uses Grecian, I don't.
Where what?
Grecian.
What the fuck is that?
Great for men.
Doc's over 50.
Oh,
How old are you, Doc? 53?
Yeah, you way older than me.
Wait, like 1 year?
Like 4.
You got way more wrinkles than I got.
Oh yeah,
Because my kid.
there's no doubt about that.
My kids
That
know
doesn't
how
mean
to
he's old. That means he got started before you.
No, my kids know how to hump.
Sean.
What? Kick it. What happened?
I got it right
Did
here.
you say Dave has a small package? That's what I heard. Yeah.
I just can't catch a break any damn chip draws.
I didn't get a good chip jar either.
I'm fixing to leave without Chuck.
Fuck not, Dave.
Next man coming at you right now over the right.
It was real close, yeah. And with the sun the way it is, you can't really see the wind lights. You can't see the lights down there to leave. You can't see a lot right now. I looked over and I thought I saw my wind light, but I wasn't 100% sure. So I think we won, but it was real close regardless.
This seventh pair is going to be Birdman versus Bird.
You don't even know if it's working.
Birdman versus
all I can say is there's nothing left.
You too, brother.
Yes,
good luck.
You too, bud. Should be. It's a good old-fashioned drag race.
Sure will be.
versus Cable Morton.
Oh well. Just fix it, go to the next one.
So will you pull the intake off and look at the valves and see if there's any crud in them, or just...
We'll fire it up, see how, like, and a lot of times it'll puff out a hole or something, and then you'll stick it on the brake, and then it'll blow the aluminum out.
Yeah.
And it's all good.
I got so many people over in my place. Come over. Come over. There's a lot of people over there. You can come over if you... No. To my place.
Jesus. I just fucking suck, dude. I don't... You're stuck the fucking tire and drove the car to the right. I know. Like it didn't have enough power. Every single pass that I sit in that lane and watched every single one, and every single car was sticking the tire and bouncing. And I was like, man.
I fucked up because I didn't see her, and I thought, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the car up and pedal it.
Yeah.
And then once I pedaled it, it just upset the fuck out of the chassis. And then after that, I had to pedal it 15 more times.
Yeah.
You know, and I honestly still thought that she didn't make a pass. And then all of a sudden, there she was. You know?
Man,
Were
you
you
know,
still out on her?
Huh?
You were still out on her?
Yeah, I was still out on her whenever I got done pedaling it, you know?
maybe this is just one of them tracks where you get like some bad voodoo or mojo or
That's
whatever.
every track for me.
Well,
Got all the bad voodoo.
like everybody's getting it.
There's something weird going on.
Does this track all the way around it again?
Yeah.
That or did a blower lock up the track?
It takes a lot of force to do that.
Well, that thing may be brittle. That thing's been welded 5,000 times.
Right.
But only in the ground?
I don't know, man. It feels shaky everywhere. It's not gonna take me 30. I'll be over here a little sooner.
We weren't born to suck, and right now we suck. So I'm gonna be a fucking titty baby for another
I'm getting used to it though. This is new for Ryan. Sucking is new for Ryan. I'm getting used to it.
Maybe we shouldn't hang out with Ryan because we're bringing Ryan down to our level.
I thought I would pick up some from Ryan, but I think I'm rubbing off on him.
Bro, it is what it is.